Have you ever wondered how to rank YouTube videos fast? In today's video, we're going to go over how you could use your existing YouTube channel to figure out keywords to rank videos on your channel. Welcome to Entrepreneur's Toolbox. I'm Jonathan, and I'm here to help you find the tools to build income online. I upload new videos every week, so make sure that you subscribe and ring the bell so you get notified every time that I upload a new video. So we're just going to go through this step by step. So I'm on my YouTube channel, and what I will do is I will go to YouTube Studio. You could either go, just click on this blue spot right here that says YouTube Studio, or you could go to your channel icon, click YouTube Studio, either way. Now, once it loads, I'm going to go to Analytics. Once I'm in Analytics, I'm just going to click top right corner, something that says Advanced Mode. Click that and it will bring up a little bit more information. So what you do next is go to Traffic Source. Traffic Source, and go to YouTube Search. So what you find out in YouTube Search is you find out the keywords that people are finding your content with already. So a lot of people are finding my content because of one video that I did, and it's ranking and it's doing rather well. That's one of the videos, best text-to-speech software for YouTube videos. And now that I see that it's actually not even the first thing that people are searching for when they find the video. Text-to-speech software for YouTube videos without the best, or just text-to-speech, or best text-to-speech software. If you get value out of these videos, make sure that you like and subscribe, and don't forget to ring the bell so you get notified every time that I upload a new video. If you have any requests for videos, make sure that you leave them in the comments. I want to make videos on subjects that you want to learn about. So if I wanted to make a video based off of something that I know people are already searching for and they're already finding my channel, but I'll just make more content. So any of these that people are already searching for, I'll make more of those, because they're already finding my channel because of those keywords. For instance, I really like this software and I recommend it. However, people want to use it if they want to try and make a YouTube channel with it. And I mean, I know that there's a lot of questioning if YouTube is allowing text-to-speech anymore, but even if they're going to use it on a different platform or however they want to do it, it's become a popular video, and I can continue to make videos on subjects that people are already searching for. So go through this list of keywords, find out why people are finding you, what they're searching for, and then make videos around what they're already searching for. I hope this helped you find some keywords that you could use to rank new videos on your YouTube channel. If you're trying to grow your YouTube channel, grab my free YouTube growth checklist. I'll put a link in the description. How do you rank YouTube videos fast? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.